Hey guys, so it's Inaminka. I'm at Inaminka. Got here about 9 o'clock last night, so I had a really good sleep last night. When I got here, it was 32 degrees and it was 9 o'clock, so I assumed I was in for a pretty rough night's sleep. Within about half an hour, this really cool desert breeze came in, and I've had this beautiful breeze all night. So I just opened the swag up, and this lovely breeze ran through there. Absolutely magical. Best night's sleep. It was great. Anyway, this morning, the Strzelecki track. So the Strzelecki track's about 500k, super isolated kind of areas. It's very remote, but yeah, we'll pack everything up and we'll get into it. Should be a really good day. Exciting. Guess the other thing just worth touching on while I'm doing that, I'm just having a quick look through the map. So I've checked the road closures, everything's open, the track's all good, the weather's good for the next couple of days. So my plan is to go from the Strzelecki track and then do the Udinata track back to back. So this Strzelecki track runs from Lyndhurst to Inaminka, where we are at the moment. It's about 475 kilometres long. Longest distance without fuel, 475 k's. So there is a 475k stretch where there's no fuel available. So there's a spot here, I can't seem to find it. There's a spot here called Malakuta Bor. That's where we're going to spend tonight. There it is. Malakuta Bor, so that's about halfway. That'll be our plan for today. That's where we're spending tonight. Looks like a really nice spot. I've had a bit of a look on Google Maps, just at some photos and stuff like that, and looks like a nice enough area, eh? Strzelecki track. Probably done about, I don't know, maybe 200 k's or so far. Been a couple of sealed sections, but the whole thing really has just been gravel and dirt the whole way. Conditions at the moment, the road's pretty wide. I haven't shot heaps of video because, to be honest, it's just huge, flat, you know, like small hills, but flat-ish. Hills and this salt mushy stuff, so nothing too exciting to video so far. Did get a cool photo of it that I'll throw here. It'll be the thumbnail. Anyway, look, so far up the track, road's really wide, corrugations, I've worked out 80k an hour. 80k an hour seems to be the good number to kind of just be on top of these corrugations where I'm not getting knocked around too much. Coming around here, the I plan to spend tonight here, so if you look on Google and stuff, the reviews for this area are all pretty positive, hey. I reckon it's a pretty good spot to stay. Obviously no recent ones, but unfortunately the flies are terrible. Anyway, Bor's bone dry. Kind of pretty run down. yeah. Look, I'm going to push on to Lyndhurst. I didn't want to. It's another 260k. It's about 1 o'clock in the Arvo. It's a couple of hours driving on these roads, but yeah. Meh. Might just have a bit more of a drive around this place just before I take off to make sure that I'm not missing anything. There might be maybe more to it up over the hill over there somewhere or something like that. Let's go have a quick look around. Yeah, so this Monte Collina board just, yeah, I don't know. I think I talked it up too much in my head. I think my expectations might have been a bit too high coming into it. Anyway, have a bit more of a drive around and a bit more of a look around and go from there. But yeah, I definitely think I'll be punching onto Lyndhurst right now. Just dry. Officially the end of the Strzelecki track, so I'm about 5 minutes out of Lyndhurst. It's all bitumen now. Yeah, so that's pretty much the end of it. Look, I'll be honest. If you need to get from Innermanka to Lyndhurst, it's a pretty direct route and the road's not too bad. If you're looking for a scenic drive, you probably have no business being here. I actually expected, I don't know, I expected more to see. I don't know why, but yeah, I don't know. I don't want to put a downer on it, but I expected more. I'm a bit, yeah, I don't know. Anyway, we're Oudenaarde bound, probably tomorrow. Start that track and see how we go from there, right?